Good morning students. We have already done the curves in the previous class. Now we will be discussing the next part using the curves. Now suppose I take using my pen I draw in this way. Alright, so is this a closed curve? Yes. But if I generally ask you the question, what is this figure? So you all will say this is a circle. Alright, it is in circular shape. Now you must have seen the bangles in your mummy's wrist. Alright, some circular things at home, rings with which you play. These all are circular in shape. So today we will be talking about, or we will be learning about the circles. Okay, now what is a circle? First you understand what is a circle. Now I think many of you must be knowing how to draw the circle using the compass. I have taken a compass and I will draw a circle using the compass, and then I'll explain you what are the different parts of the circle. All right. Now when we draw a circle, those who know, those who don't know, you can see this and then learn. What we do, we take a point. Let's take a point. I have marked this point here. Okay, now this point is, let me take a small point here, and then I take my compass and keep it on this point. All right, now in this compass, this point which we have taken here, this is fixed, and which part will be moving? The pencil will be moving here. So I start drawing the circle. So when I complete this, see here, it's coming back to its own place again. So it's a type of closed curve, right? So we got our circle. All right, now when I started from here, see here, this sharp end was fixed, this point was fixed, and what was moving? My pencil was only moving here in this case. Now see here, in this case, so this is how we have drawn the circle. Now we'll learn about the different parts of the circle. The fixed point on which I kept my compass, this is at the center of the circle. See here carefully, is it in the center of the circle? Yes. This point we will denote it as O, and this point O is known as the center of the circle. This is a part of the circle which is known as the center of the circle. So which is the center of the circle here for this circle? This is O. Alright, now see here, if I keep my compass here, alright, let me take this point as point A. Alright, now let me take another point B here. Let me take another point C here. Now see here, the distance OA is same as distance OB, right? That is same as distance OC. If I take any other point somewhere here, the distance is same. If I take the point here, the distance is same. Everywhere on this circular path, if I take a point, the distance between the point which is moving, that is A point, B point, or any other point, and this fixed point O is always same. Alright, so this is how this distance is same as this one, as this one. Similarly, if I take another point here, another like this, all these distances are same. This distance which is fixed, OA, which is equal to OB, which is equal to OC, alright, like this. All these fixed distances are known as the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Alright, they are, the fixed distance is known as the radius of the circle. Now this circular path which we have got, you must have seen the circular path. When the pencil was moving, we have got this circular path. This circular path is known as the circumference of the circle. This is the boundary. Okay, circumference means the boundary here, because we cannot go beyond it, we cannot come inside it. So this is the boundary here. So this boundary of the circle is known as the circumference of the circle. Alright, so how many parts we have learned? Center, radius, and then the circumference. Clear? All of you? It's easy. So how we will define a circle? Circle is a path which is moving at a fixed distance from a fixed point. So this path is known as the circle, which is called the circumference of the circle. Fixed point is center and the fixed distance is known as the radius. So if I take a point here, is this a radius? Yes. If I take a point in this way, is this a radius? Yes. If I take a fixed distance here, is this fixed distance a radius? Yes. So this is how we get the radius, center and the circumference of the circle.